Hi students. In this lecture, I am going to discuss problems based on gravitation. See first one. If a planet was suddenly stopped in its orbit, supposed to be circular, show that it would fall onto the sun in a time equal to root 2 by 8 times the period of planet's revolution. Let us see how to solve it. So path is a circular, it is a stop. So time taken to fall on the sun. So condition given that it is now following circular path. Suppose this is now sun, following circular path. Now the planet is stopped. So this is now radius. Once the planet is stopped, it follows now straight line path and falls on the sun, right? So we have to calculate now time taken. See, we have seen that for ellipse, this is major axis and this is minor axis. Now here what we are doing is taking the straight line as ellipse for which b equal to 0. Okay, we are taking the straight line as ellipse where b equal to 0. Because for ellipse b is 0, it becomes straight line. So this is helping us to use Kepler's third law. Narration is that from this point to up to this point, it is like from this end of the ellipse to this other end of the ellipse. This time taken is now half of time period of revolution. So like this, we can solve the question by using Kepler's third law. Now see what we can write. We are knowing that t square proportional to a cube, right? When orbit is a circle, we are taking the place of a radius of that orbit. So it is now t2 by t1 whole square is equal to final value. If you see carefully, for this ellipse, r becomes 2a. I am writing here r equal to 2a. Okay. Therefore, in the place of a, I am writing r by 2. And first case, it is r whole cube. Okay. So it initially path was circle. So in case of circle, we are writing in the place of a radius. Now a becomes r by 2 because this r is now major axis for this ellipse. Okay. Then see what we are going to get. So t2 is equal to t1 or t into r gets cancelled. It is 1 by 2. Or in case it is 1 by 8 whole power 1 by 2. Okay. That is equal to t by, it is a 2 root 2. Check it once. 8 is taken as 4 into 2. So it is now root for that becomes 2 root. Okay. Now time taken. Time taken means from this end to the other end. It is now half of the time period of revolution. Therefore, time taken t equal to, it is a t2 by 2. That is now t by 4 root 2. And this can be taken as now multiplying and dividing with root 2. It becomes root 2 by 8 into t. So this is what we have to get. Okay. So here the main thing is that taking the straight line as ellipse for which b equal to 0. Okay, that is the main key point. Let us see next problem. So this question is from previous IIT 2023, paper 1, given for 3 marks. See the question given. Two satellites P and Q are moving in different circular orbits around the Earth. Given radiuses are the heights of P and Q from Earth surface are HP and HQ respectively. And given HP value, acceleration due to gravity at P and Q are given ratio 36 by 25. Okay. So now we have to calculate height of point Q, right? So first we have to focus here. HP, HQ, HP value R by 3 given, ratio of G values at P and Q, that is given, we have to find HQ. Okay. See how we are solving it. So first write down given data, the height of P given us, height of P given us R by 3 and given GP by GQ. That value as 36 by 25. Right. So we have to find HQ value how much. Right. See what we can do here. We are knowing that G value with the height, how it is changing. It is equal to G into square of R upon R plus H. G into square of R upon R plus H. Right. That means see here what we get now from this. That gives us anyhow G and G, both sides gets cancelled. When I'm taking ratio here, okay? Ratio G gets cancelled. R square gets cancelled. Remaining is now R plus HQ by R plus HP is equal to 6 by 5, right? See carefully. I'm taking now this relation, okay, in the place of P and Q, right? So it is now R plus HQ by R plus HP equal to 6 by 5, right? Now from this, see what we can get. So this is giving us HQ by HP, HQ by HP. Or let us see calculation from here. 5R plus 5HQ is equal to 6R plus 6HP, right? That implies 5HQ is equal to 5HQ is equal to 6R minus 5R, that is R, plus HP value given R by 3. That is now 3 plus 1, 4. 4R by 3. Okay. That implies HQ value. HQ value. HQ value, it is HQ value, it is 4R by 15, right? See once carefully the condition of what it is given. GP. GP means R square by R plus H whole square. R plus HP. R plus HQ. 6 by 5. Right? So it is of 5R plus 5HQ equal to 6R plus, sorry, 6R plus 6HP. 6HP here. 6 is missing. So in that case, this is now 3 plus 6, 9. 9R by 3. That is equal to 3R. That means HQ value, HQ value, that is equal to 3R by 5. So directly we can get the answer. Okay. See next problem. Right. This question also from previous IIT, Advanced 2022, given for 3 marks. Two spherical stars A and B have densities rho A and rho B respectively. A and B having same radius and their masses relation MB equal to MA. Due to an interaction process, star A loses some of its mass so that its radius is becoming half while its spherical shape is retained and its density remains rho A. The entire mass lost by A is deposited as a thick spherical shell on B with the density of the shell being rho A. If VA and VB are the escape velocities from A and B after the interaction process, the ratio VA by VB, right? So in this now we have to calculate the value of N, right? Let's see once how to start the problem. VA by VB. So first write down given data. So two spheres A and B given both having same R. We can say RA equal to RB equal to R. Okay. This is A and this is B. And given condition density rho A, density rho B, and coming to mass, it is given MB. MB equal to 2 times of mass of A. See, since R value is same for both, same volume, volume same, but mass of B twice that of A. This indicates that density of B is twice that of A. Right? This is what we can say. Right. Now, A is losing mass. A losing mass. Therefore, its radius becomes, let us take R A dash. It is now becoming half. When radius becomes a half, mass becomes 1 by 8 because mass equal to volume into density, right? So volume is 4 by 3 power cube. Therefore, mass, it becomes now MA by 8, right? The first focus, what we have to calculate. So we have to calculate VA by VB after interaction process. And we know escape velocity equal to root of 2gm by r, that is escape velocity, right? G is a constant, 2 is a constant, remaining is only mass and radius. So here what we can write, this is now mass of A after the interaction by mass of B after interaction, radius of A after interaction, radius of B after interaction. Already we got the values of M A dash, right? R A dash. C M B dash. M B dash, what we can write? M B dash we can write. Initial mass is twice mass of A. So 2 MA initially plus initially mass of A. You're having MA. Now it is 1 by 8. So remaining 7 by 8 is now deposited, deposited, deposited as a thick layer on B. I'm showing here as a thick layer, as a thick layer on B, like this. So this is corresponding to 7m by 8. Okay. So 2ma plus 7 by 8ma. So total mass 2, 8, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. So 23 by 8 ma. So we got masses of ma dash and mb dash. Okay. We got those values. Now we have to focus R A dash, that is R by 2. So if we know R dash B, then we can calculate what is this value. Okay. Now to find that R dash B, see what we can do here. To find that R dash B, so I can write total volume is now 23 by 8 MA. MA means volume 4 by 3 pi r cube into density of A, right? That is equal to mass of the inner part. Mass of inner part is now volume is actually 2 times of mass of A, right? So I'm writing here 2 times of mass of A. Mass of A means again 4 by 3 pi r cube into density of A. So 2 times of mass of A plus extra mass. This extra mass can be taken as, volume of the outer one. So volume of outer one minus volume of inner one. See how much we get. I'm taking total radius as R dash B. So outer volume is 4 by 3 pi R dash B whole cube minus, from that I am subtracting inner volume, that is now R cube. Check once. 4 by 3 pi R dash B cube outer volume minus inner volume into density of A, right? Now see carefully, throughout we can cancel 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi. Remaining is now, and rho A also, rho A gets cancelled. Remaining is 23 by 8. Rho A is equal to 2 rho A plus RB dash cube minus R cube, right? Now 23 by 8 minus 2. See how much we get? 23 by 8 minus 2. 16. This is now 23. Remaining is now See how much we get. Sorry, already row A cancelled. Right? Row A already cancelled previously only. Check it once. 23 by 8. Row A already cancelled. 2 is left here. R cube is left. I am not taking R cube here. R cube is left. Okay. So 2 R cube minus R cube. This is now R cube. R cube. And here also R cube is left. That is plus RB dash cube. Now 2 by 23 by 8 minus 1. That is 15 by 8 R cube is equal to RB dash cube. So from this we get RB dash, which is equal to 15 by 8. Its power is 1 by 3, means a cube root, into R. Okay. Let us now substitute this in this one. Root of MA dash, MA by 8. It is MA by 8. MB dash, 23 by 23 by 8 MA. Okay. Into RB dash, 15 by 8 whole power 1 by 3 into R, and RA dash, it is R by 2. Okay. So MA cancels, 8 gets cancels. Remaining is now root of, remaining is now, here 23 is left. You can see here 8 power 1 by 3, that becomes 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, R gets cancelled. Remaining is now 15 power 1 by 3. 15 power 1 by 3 upon, wait, actually here what we have taken, MB dash, right? MA dash, right. So, okay. Now this is a how much? By 23. Okay. So here we have to calculate now. Actually, we have to calculate now VB by VA, right? VB by VA. So reverse of that, right? So 23 by 15 power 1 by 3. Okay. And it is given like, in the place of 23, it is given 10n. 10n by 15 power 1 by 3. That implies n value. N value how much? 2.3. Okay. That means in this problem, the main thing is calculation of outer radius of beam. Except that remaining are directly we can get, like mass of B twice that of A, which implies density of B twice that of A. Next, radius becoming half. So mass becomes 1 by 8. Remaining is now 7 by 8, which is now depositing on second one. So we got all these values, MA dash, MB dash, RA dash directly. Only we are making calculation for RB dash. Okay. Remaining very simple. So final answer is n equal to 2.3. Okay. Right.